Hi you guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make chicken and spinach with veggie penne pasta in a cheddar and garlic Parmesan sauce. I hope you enjoy. So first I'm going to cook the chicken. I already buy the cooked chicken. It is the chicken fajita. You can find this in the frozen section. I'm just heating it up and then chopping them up in little itty bitty pieces. Now I added the baby spinach. I prefer fresh spinach, but if you want to do canned spinach, go for it. I don't know how well it's going to taste, but I prefer sauteing my own spinach. Add a spoonful of butter. I already sprayed the pan with olive oil just so the chicken won't stick, but I just wanted to add some butter to the spinach, just have a little buttery flavor to it. And also I added some pepper as well. This is the pasta that I use, 100% veggie pasta. I got this from Walmart, under $3. The penne with the cheddar cheese sauce made with zucchini and lentils. You flip it over and it'll tell you the instructions. I only cooked mine for 3.5 minutes and I got 2 packages of this. So I have enough for a couple days worth. And honestly, it tastes just like regular pasta. And this is what the pasta looks like. And I want to add some more sauce to it because I want to make sure everything is covered and saucy. And I'm going to use only half the container of sauce. I need a little bit just to cover up my meat and my vegetables. I just want it to be saucy and delicious. And when it's all stirred in, I'm lowering the temperature a little bit. Just let it sit there and marinate in the sauce just for a few minutes. And there you have it, the finished dish. It tastes amazing. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to follow my channel and follow my blog as well. Bye.